The difficulty does not wait. Life does not look back. A week is merely a space of time. The best strategy for solving the problems is penetration. After scaling a significant hill, one discovers that there are numerous further hills to climb. Maintaining cohesion and self-balance while accommodating stability and change on the civilized battlefield is a struggle for any civilization. Never put up a fight with someone who has nothing to lose. Living with the intensity of this challenge, I shall be what my language wants me to be. The key to realizing our potential is perseverance, not brilliance or strength. The difficulty does not wait. Life does not look back. A week is merely a space of time. The best strategy for getting over the challenges is penetration. This is actually dependent on the cultural populace being aware of the key values and components that make up the deep cultural structures. Any level of conflict in the mind results in it only finding stability and comfort in challenges. The greatest quality that makes man superior to all else is his capacity for defiance. Al-Qasimi, Abdullah, Saudi thinker, a civilized person's right to solitude is his most prized freedom. Decision of the Supreme Court of the United States, the biggest obstacle to altering ourselves is when we lose faith in our potential to alter the world. Theodore Frankl, do not challenge God's judgment since you did not choose your family. They are a gift from God to you just as you are a gift from God to them. Desmond Tutu, what seems to us to be a discouraging failure may suddenly turn into a spectacular success since a little perseverance equals a lot of achievement. Keep in mind that solid judgment, which comes from experience, is what really leads